Today we're going to be walking around the dealership asking if miles matter or if the year of the vehicle matters more. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, that way you're notified anytime we upload a video. Let's get into it. What is more important, age or mileage on a vehicle? Age. What about you?
I say mileage.
Ooh, why?
More wear and tear and exposure to elements and stuff for mileage. So
What's more important, age on a vehicle or mileage?
I don't know, man. I mean, if the car hasn't been driven much, it just depends. A lot of stop and go traffic has low miles, but the hours are higher. And if you have a highway car has a lot of miles, probably the hours are a little about the same. I don't know, man. I'd rather get a low miles, older car than a high miles. I don't know, bro. I'm a mechanic. I'll get anything, honestly. I can't really opinionate on it.
Joe! Angel owes him a polar pop.
I can't make it in 5 shots.
Joe!
First try, Joe.
You think Ethan can make it?
Yeah, first try.
What do you think, Ethan?
Don't rope me in.
First try. Alright.
I think that was a better shot, honestly. I actually made it into something.
Mileage or the year of the vehicle?
I guess that's kind of debatable. I mean, any car, if a car is going to get high miles, someone's got to put money into it, you know what I mean? I trust a car with high miles that's been on the road than a car that looks perfect but it's been sitting forever and has like cracked rubber hoses and whatever, belts.
So mileage.
Right here.
I suppose, yeah.
You could have a newer car that's driven all over the country, high miles, and don't really want a car with 300,000 miles or something.
What would I prefer in a vehicle purchase? Low miles or a newer year? And I would rather take lower miles every time. I don't care if it's a 2024. Well, then you have like the hyperinflated people who only just want names, logos, brandings, like the newest of the new, and that's where you 2025.
Ray-Bans when he was talking about that.
I see the look on your face.
But
You're gonna have to be more specific on.
no, stipulations that I was under. Why is it different for you?
Because it depends on the type of car.
It depends on the type of the car.
Are we talking about a Toyota or are we talking about a Honda or a Ford?
Any make and model.
Any make and model, typically, I would probably say mileage.
You need some heat in here, you look cold.
Wow. Cold. I look cold. The newer it is, the more technology that goes into it, the longer it'll last as long as you take care of it.
Mileage or year, what one matters more?
I have a 74 with 80,000 miles on it. It still runs great.
Probably a year. I got soft hands, brother. I just want to at least have a backup camera. And there's a certain year where it's like, let's be realistic.
Nothing beats father time, not even cars that don't have miles.
What's more important when buying a vehicle, year or mileage?
Price.